you ever tried putting on your socks and shoes while standing on one foot? Sounds simple, right? Well, here's a reality check. This everyday task is actually known as the old man test, a powerful indicator of your physical fitness age. And here's the shocking part. Only 14% of people over 40 can do it without losing their balance. If you're struggling with this, it's more than just poor balance. It's a warning sign about your strength, stability, and how your body is aging. Ignore it now, and 10 years from today, you'll wish you had taken it seriously. But here's the thing, it's not too late to change that. The good news, you can start turning things around today. I'm about to show you 5 incredibly effective exercises that most people ignore, but could completely change how you age over the next decade. Whether your goal is to grow muscles, build strength, or simply feel and move better, these exercises are your ticket to a stronger, healthier future. Let's dive in. Number 1, single leg RDL. The single leg RDL is a hidden gem in the world of fitness that most people tend to overlook. If you're serious about training and want to build real strength, this move is essential. It not only challenges your balance, but also strengthens your hips and improves your ability to perform the hinge movement. This exercise is fantastic for athletes and gym goers looking to grow muscle, lose weight, and improve overall performance. Imagine slowly hinging forward using just your body weight, extending one leg backward. It sounds simple, but the control it requires is incredible. That's exactly what improves your coordination and enhances your training. It strengthens your hamstrings, glutes, and core while boosting balance and control. Even without weights, it's remarkably effective at developing muscle and stability. To get started, stand with feet hip-width apart. Slowly hinge forward, reaching your hands toward the ground while one leg extends back. Keep a slight bend in your standing knee. Aim for 5 to 10 reps on each leg. Focus on control and form. Once you master the movement, you can add weights like dumbbells to increase the challenge. Number 2, squat and reach. This underrated exercise improves mobility and total body fitness. In today's gym culture, everyone chases big lifts, but flexibility often gets left behind. The squat and reach involves a deep squat paired with a thoracic spine rotation, opening up your upper back. It stretches your shoulders, back, and adductors while prepping your body for heavy training. This move helps prevent injury, boosts your ability to generate power, and lays the groundwork for better performance, especially important for men over 40. To do it, stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Squat deeply and place one hand on the floor. With the other, reach toward the ceiling while rotating your upper back. Follow your hand with your eyes and keep your core tight. Hold for 30 seconds per side, working up to 60 seconds. Number 3, sumo stance. The sumo stance is powerful for building lower body strength and flexibility. It targets inner thighs, glutes, and the lower back while promoting better posture and thoracic extension. Using a wider stance helps build muscles and improve hip mobility, translating to better gym performance and injury prevention. To begin, stand with feet wider than shoulder width and toes pointed slightly out. Lower into a squat, pushing hips back and keeping your chest up. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. It's great for developing a strong base for lifts like deadlifts and squats, and improving muscle balance. Number 4, Superman exercise. This deceptively simple move builds serious posterior chain strength. Lying face down and lifting arms and legs at the same time strengthens your glutes, core, and back, while improving posture and stability. It's especially useful for people who sit a lot or do repetitive movements. It prepares your body for demanding lifts and helps prevent back pain. To perform it, lie on your stomach with arms and legs extended. Lift your chest, arms, and legs off the floor. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower. Aim for 10 to 15 controlled reps. Number 5, Puriforis Stretch. After focusing on strength and balance, this stretch brings much-needed relief. The piriformis is a small, often overlooked muscle deep in the glutes that can cause pain and sciatic nerve pressure when tight. Stretching it regularly helps release the hips, improve posture, and relieve lower back tension, critical for long-term mobility. To stretch it, Lie on your back with knees bent. Cross your right ankle over your left knee to form a figure 4. Grab your left thigh and gently pull it toward your chest. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, then switch sides. It's a small move with big benefits for hip and back health. So there you have it, 5 exercises most people ignore that could transform how you feel and move in the next decade. The question is, will you take action or keep overlooking what really matters? Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. For more practical tips like this, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's keep building a stronger, healthier you, starting today. Thank you for watching.